Alright, today I'm bringing you a pretty sad explore. The explore that I'm about to do used to sit there before the major floods Lismore had, and now it is off its stumps. There's the back stairs, what's left of them. There's side stairs over there. So it's off its stumps, and that's the back door by the look of it. I think it's the back door or side door. So let's have a look. I can't get to too much of it because of the way it's wedged itself. This is all that's left of the bathroom, guys. There's the bathtub just down there. You can see how dirty everything is from the flood water. It just went under totally, which is sad. Alright, I'm not sure, I think this was the back door. The other side was the side door. So here we are. This is really, like I said, it's really sad. I don't know if you can tell how bad that hump is in the floor just there, but it's bad. You can see up on the ceiling all the debris still from the house being underwater. This here is the bathroom that I just looked into. If you can see there, there's not much to see. It's all just full of mud. I think the house was renovated not so long ago, so it's pretty sad. They've just abandoned everything and just pretty much left. Doesn't even look like they've been back to try and salvage anything, poor buggers. So that's what's left of somebody's bed. I had a bed. Looks like it was made out of similar, not the same style. I just had slats. I had to chuck mine as well because the water just got it. So this is what's left of the bedroom. There was a family living here, or just a mother living here with kids. I'm not too sure. It's just so bad when you see all the debris on the ceiling, all the little bits of dead grass and stuff. So I'm being as respectful as I possibly can be, guys, so don't think I'm just coming in here and just being a vulture, because I'm not. This warrants being documented of what's left of the place. This was the kitchen. I'm about to go up the hill. So what's left of the kitchen, they did have really nice kettles and stuff. That looks like it was a DeLonghi or something or other. I'll just leave it back in the sink. We were lucky for what happened to how the brooms landed in itself. It's just so bizarre. That's the lounge room, what's left of it. Have a look down here, kitchen. What's left of crusted in old river mud. It's just gross. What's left of their DeLonghi. And this was another side entrance to the kitchen. Like I said, they've come to get nothing. They've just walked away. So sad for so many people. I wish I could give you some idea of the slope of this. Hang on. If give you some idea. Yeah, it's not giving you any idea, but there's a huge hump in the floor, huge. Kitchen covered in river mud. So many people in this town and around the areas and other flood affected places. And as I'm recording this, guys, there's a huge major flood event happening down Sydney way, and people are being evacuated. I can't open this door. I think that might have been the side door to the bedroom that I just showed you. Huge major event where so many people are being evacuated from their homes. Pretty much exactly the same thing happening down there. And they're about to go through it. These people have been through it. I've been through it. So many people still living in tents and setups under their houses. It's so sad. Okay, there's a French doors to the side veranda. You can see the kids' toys. So the kids, this would have been the area where the kids used to play. Look how buckled the wall is. It's so sad. All the kids' toys, all covered in mud. That's the door into the kitchen. And so many people needing help that aren't getting it, and people are walking away. There's a couple of houses up from me. They've put their house on the market after the flood. They haven't even cleaned it out properly. And then there was another house, a couple of houses up from them that put their house on the market. People are just walking away. I don't know what that is. I'd like to think it's a rug. It doesn't look too good. But to think somebody was in this bed right before the flood happened. All their personal belongings, just a huge mess. Huge mess on the floor. The glasses are still there. And makeup, bits of makeup. I don't know. Even got smears across. Oh god. I can't open this is the front door. I'm saying that because it's got a bolt on it, lock on it. But I can't open it, probably jammed, and I can't open this door. So, I'm not too sure what's in there. So, very sad explore. It is abandoned, it is derelict, it is open. I have not broken into this place. I am being as respectful as I possibly can. You can see where somebody has, probably somebody that's homeless now, has built a little fire for themselves. Poor buggers. Trying to get some warmth, eh? Because it is freezing here now. It's getting down pretty low at night. A couple of nights it was down around 1. People are feeling it. People don't have homes anymore. I don't know if you can see out there the cars that have been inundated by the flood water. So there you go. Yep. Just documenting this for you. No, I can't. I was going to go and try and have a look at the other side, but there's a fence here that the house is sort of bulldozed into. I can't get in there. I'm not even going to try and get in there. It's too dangerous. Alright guys, thought I'd bring you one from closer to home, one that's very relevant for so many people in this situation right now. So look after yourselves everywhere, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching.